Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mukmik. So, yesterday I said that we will be focusing on the sell, and what happened was the gold falls down really strongly again. So that's good. So this is a clear trend that we will continue to go for a sell. However, I need to say this at this beginning of the video that these plans are the big picture of today. They are not confirmed, and you can't, put your pending order at anywhere that I said in this video. If you need a confirming signals, you need to follow us on our Telegram. This is really important because I saw some comments below my videos that, oh, that's not true, that's really bad. It's because the signals were not confirmed, and we did not confirm you guys to enter at these points. It's just the big picture. It's just that, that's the rough plan, and if you know how to check for those confirming signals, you can do it yourself. All right, the signals that I use the most for confirming the zones and also the supports or resistance that we are talking about in the videos is that 1, the classic divergence. If you know what is the bullish classic divergence or the bearish classic divergence, that's really useful for confirming. All right, the second one is the QM pattern. But these two need to happen in a very small time frame, all right? Because the zone we are putting it out here, it will be the 4-hour time frame or the 1-hour time frame. However, you need to find these confirming signals in, for like in the 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame. That's gonna be useful for our zone to get confirmed, all right? Or another one that I use pretty, frequently for the golds is our Bravo Gold strategy. It's really similar to the double bottom or the double top, but this confirming signal, you need to know how to use the Fibonacci extension and, what's the structure it should look like. So I hope it's clear, and the reason that I'm out here and share the plans, the rough plan, the big pictures for you guys is just to confirm our students that, all right, at this point, at this zone or this support resistance, you can consider sell or a buy. So you can put your alerts on it, and once the price comes to the alerts and you get the notification from the apps, you can come back to the graph and check if there's a confirming signals. All right, I hope it's clear, and I don't want anyone to misunderstand the point of having these videos every single day. All right, so if that's clear, let's go straight to the charts. So here we go. It's the new day, and we need to start with the daily time frame. And what happened is that we have another big, bold, bearish candlestick, and it is not forming any reversal pattern as well. So for today, the price can go a little bit further down to where? Okay, to here. This is the demand zone that the price is now using. Okay, but I didn't say that you need to buy at this demand zone, even though it is a demand zone. But if you can see, the trend is a strong downtrend. All right, so the trend is a downtrend. We will be focusing on selling gold. So where could we go for a sell in this daily time frame? I would say that is this supply zone, but this is a bigger time frame, so we do need to drop down a few time frames to get the more precise zone. Okay, this zone is really beautiful. We do have this resistance as well, so it's going to be at around 1810. And another resistance, of course, is this one, because it used to be the support for, you know, once, twice, once the gold, you know, can't really be persisted over the supports, it will turn itself into the resistance. So that's another point that we could consider selling gold, okay? But the daily time frame is quite big, so we need to drop down. Let's see what we've got in the 4-hour time frame, right? So in the 4-hour time frame, we have this beautiful supply zone, which is at around 1760, right? 1760. So that's the first zone that we might consider ourselves, but I need to tell you that this zone doesn't have, you know, any friends. As you can see, we don't have any friends, it's just the zones, so we don't have something like that, which is, you know, the pullback or the resistance. So at this zone, you can check for the signals and sell it back down here. All right, so that's the selling plan. What about the buying plan? I really don't want to talk about the buying plan, because when I talked about it, I got so many bad comments. But I do need to, you know, talk you through where could we consider a buy, but it doesn't mean that you need to enter it, all right? Or that will be very beneficial if you are selling gold and you know that, okay, we need to be careful about this support or be careful about this demand zone. So that's gonna be where you need to take your profits, okay? So let's go to the 1-hour time frame. It might be, you know, more beautiful, I would say. So the first plan, if the price, you know, coming back down, the first one would be this. Let me put the box there. So it's gonna be around this region, but you need to check for the classic divergence. All right, so I hope that's clear, but it doesn't mean that you need to enter. I talked about this so many times, you guys, okay? This is not going to be the safest plan for buying gold. Why is that? Because you are still going against the trend. All right. The most beautiful one would be that the price forming this uptrend pattern and have a new demand zone for us. And if possible, please remove all the supply here. So this is gonna be a more beautiful one and also the safer one as well, because all the supplies has been removed and we've got our uptrend like so. All right, so that's the big plans for today. If you need the confirming signals, you know, you can join our Telegram. If you can't, you can just, you know, learn from maybe the YouTube videos or the internet what is the classic divergence, what is the QM pattern that we use most. All right, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to trade with us, please join me in the BUBI project. I will see you in there. Bye.